Did you know that without certain native vines, some of Australia's most iconic butterflies and moths could disappear forever? Today we're here at Maleny Wastewater Treatment Plant to help change that. Our site isn't just any wastewater treatment plant. It touches the edges of the Porter's Wood Forest, a critical habitat for local wildlife. Today we're planting and establishing up to 60 new growths of the Birdwing butterfly vine and Carronia vine as a part of our habitat restoration efforts for the Richmond Birdwing butterfly and the southern pink Underwing moth. The Birdwing butterfly vine is listed as near threatened in Queensland, which spells trouble for the Richmond Birdwing butterfly. Without this vine, the butterfly's caterpillars would lack a crucial food source, threatening their survival. Female moths lay their eggs on the broad leaves of this vine, and once those hatch, the caterpillars begin feeding, a process critical to their development into adult moths. By planting these vines, we're not just planting plants, we're planting the future for these incredible species. And by doing so, we're fulfilling our role as stewards of this ecological community. We all have a role to play in protecting our native species. Whether it's planting a vine, supporting conservation efforts, or simply spreading the word, every action counts. Together we can ensure these beautiful creatures are here for generations to come.